Hi, first grade students. This is Miss Lopez. I am going to teach you how to research for an animal for your end of the year project using Read Aloud so you can take notes easily. So first we're going to go to Google Chrome and we are going to open and type Orca National Geographic. You can type the name of your favorite animal. It doesn't have to be orca. For example, I'm going to choose orca and I'm going to type now Orca National Geographic Kids. And then you are going to click on it and you will see the article about orca. What you're going to do is you are going to highlight first and second paragraph and your Read Aloud is on the menu on top right. So you are going to click on Read Aloud. And the cool thing about this extension of Chrome is that you can click play or pause to write notes. So you can listen to the article instead of reading the article. So you can write at your own pace. So this is very important for you so you can research and you can write and you can listen to the article and you can write your favorite facts and complete your PowerPoint presentation later on. So enjoy this project and have fun, first grade class. Thank you.